Okay, here we go. Julia, here's your silverware. James, here's your silverware. Okay. Ready to put it away? Oh, perfect. Yay! No, I don't think you can push it closed. I don't think it'll close. Okay, let's get some more silverware. Okay. Here we go. This is the last ones. Okay, here, James. You're a good helper. Okay, let's see you put it away. Yep. Okay, Julia, you can do it. Perfect. Oh, well, I don't think you're going to be able to close it. Okay, close the door. Daddy will have a surprise later. Okay, want to close it? There we go. Okay. You're good helpers. Yay! Do you want to clap? Yay! Good job.